Good morning everybody to Tuesday the 9th of May. I'm here in the bustling town of Irun in northeasterly Spain. It's exactly 1 week since I did day one of the Camino Frances from St John Peter Port, and here we are then 7 days later. I'm doing day one of the Camino del Norte. I'm going to be on this Camino for about 2 weeks until I step off, should I say, onto others. You'll notice I'm talking a bit quicker today. I've had 2 cups of coffee and I'm ready to go. The second you leave town, it becomes an uphill road again. So here we are, here's the choice. We've got the normal route, which goes that way, and we've got Purgatory route. The Purgatory route is closed. So I'm gonna have to go the other route, unfortunately. What a shame. Well, it stopped raining for a brief second at least, but now it's misty. I had such high hopes for today. I was going to get the drone up, some spectacular footage, and can't fly a drone in this weather. So I'm sure the Camino will provide other forms of entertainment. Just not sure what it is yet.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I smooth like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
Look at that.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
30 minutes to an hour before San Sebastian, we have another road very much like the one coming out of St John Peter Port. Very naughty Del Norte, the naughty Norte. That's what I'm going to call you with some of these surprise hills.
I'm falling, and when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. what you do.